It's me, Señorita Melbae.
Hi Linggings! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here in Boracay! And unexpected kay akong pag-ari diri no, wala ni siya sa plano. Bali, gi-invite ra ko sa akong friend. Thank you, Doki HJ! Kay nag-celebrate og birthday si tita, so diri niya na ako anya is-celebrate ang birthday sa iyang mother. So happy kay ko kay akong gi-invite, and gusto po ko mag-unwind. So, ni Kuyog dayon. Walay pagduha-duha. And thank you to my manager, Miss Ada, pag-approve sa akong leave. I love you! Char! Anyways, we are staying here in Belmont Hotel Boracay. It's a newly built hotel here sa Boracay. And located ni siya sa Boracay Newcoast at Barangay Yapak, Malay, Aklan. So, I'm glad to be here at gusto na ko i-share ninyo lang things, and I will be giving a room tour. Ready na mo? Kuyugi ko! And Linggings, I'm giving you a quick room tour of what to expect when you book your stay here in Belmont Hotel Boracay. So join me! There's a mirror here, and a queen size bed, and TV, there's a heater, and glass, and ay mga free coffee. Then Brgy is down there. And here, na siya terrace. This hotel has 400 rooms daw, so construct pang uban. And here, nakoy pakita ninyo ang ilahang how to on your air condition. So, bongga. Then, adjust the temperature. Okay. And sharan! Ito ang aircon. And here, na ay flashlight. Kung basi magka-emergency, hindi pambalik tayo ng power, so you can use the flashlight. And bathrobe. Yes, bathrobe. Then here, my vault for your personal things or mga importante yung ginatala like money, jewelry, so you can store here. Okay, and we will go to the bathroom. Tcharan! Oh, gwapang vlogger. Char lang. Char lang Linggings. So, here, na ay towels and the toilet. And the blower for your blow-dry hair, and sink, and of course the hot and cold shower. So I guess this is what you can expect for your stay here. So, nabook siya ni Doktora ang hotel for 3 rooms for 8,500 through booking.com. Good morning, Langgings! It's a beautiful day here. And after the room tour, so join me as I give you a tour outside the hotel. So come and join me to explore Belmont Hotel. Look at the beautiful sunrise, Langgings. The perfect spot ni siya there for a beautiful sunrise. This is the place. It's about 6 a.m. Hotel and the views. So we're going to the private beach. So nice na rin, no, kay na ay private beach sila. And gusto mo nga di ka gusto sa crowd maki-join, so na ay private beach ang Belmont Hotel. So a few minutes walk lang, no, from the hotel going to the private beach, and it's a beautiful sunrise today. Look at then my dito nga side is pwede ka mag-rent of bike kung gusto mo mag bike early in the morning. So we're here, nasa ilang private beach. Look at, ito siyang keyhole. Beautiful spot for picture takings. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, at hit mo na rin ang bell button para notified ka sa bagong vlogs ko. This has been Señorita Melbae saying, do what makes you happy, because happiness is always a choice. Bye!